for your work or gaming, watch this video. Hello everyone, I am Rajshekhar and you are already watching Tech Bunny. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon and then select all. Now let's get into the review. Before going into the review, first have a look at the unboxing. This is how the package comes. On the front you can see the headphones and branding. Below that they mentioned gaming wide over headphones. On the both sides they mentioned Studio Lite, but wait for the review to judge it is true or not. And on the back they mentioned some more specs which I will cover in this video. If you want, you can pause this video and check that. Coming to the color, I chosen black and grey combination. There are two more colors are also available. They are black and red and black and blue. And finally, MRP is given as 1299 rupees, but you already know it won't sell at exact MRP in online. Okay, there is no seal anything for the box, simply you can open it. I don't know why they are not giving any seal to it. Inside we are getting the headphones, then instruction manual and warranty registration card. And you must register this product for warranty. Just enter the date of purchase, model and mode of purchase. That's all in the box guys. First, let's have a look at the overview of these headphones and then straight away we dive into the review. Meanwhile, hello for you only. If you are not yet subscribed, rotate your phone and click the subscribe button and bell icon to the side of it. Coming to the review, this is how the headphones looks like. It's a wired headphones where you need to plug and use it. In case if your mobile doesn't have any 3.5mm headphone jack, you can still use it by a 3.5mm adapter. On top of the both ear cups, they given the PTron branding and it is having a separate mic to the left ear cup. And on the back of the ear cup, a rotating wheel is there which controls the audio levels. Hey, I'll share the mic quality audio samples too in this video, stay tuned. Cushioning is also given all over the ear cups and headband also. It's a great thing, that's all. No buttons, nothing. Well, I think so many of you are waiting for this. Let's talk about the review. As you already know, the review should be like pros and cons, which are good things and bad things. So now I'm going to talk what are the good things I noticed in this headphone after using. The very first thing I noticed is the price. You can also observe how good are these headphones when it comes to looks. Most of you think these are priced at somewhere around 700 to 1000 rupees, but these headphones are exactly priced at 599 rupees. Even you can get little bit low price if you check the offers or if you purchase through the Cash Karo. If you don't know about the Cash Karo, do watch this video which really helps for you to get extra money during online shopping. And the next thing I found is these headphones are very light in weight. I don't know exactly how much it weighs, but I'm pretty sure these are very light in weight headphones. Next thing is these headphones are very comfortable to wear for the people who is like having small or medium type of ears. I will share for the people who are having large type of ears in later part. As these are gaming headphones, let's talk about the gaming experience. Trust me, with these the gaming experience is really okay. I'm not saying that they are extremely super or very good, but it is okay for the people who are new to games or just play games for relaxation. This gives a decent experience. I played Euro Truck Simulator 2, which is one of my favorite game with these headphones. I felt little bass is required. Overall sound is okay, but I can't listen some of the sounds clearly, which is must and should for games. If you want to use it for PUBG or any other multiplayer games, these are okay, but little bass is required. When it comes to the drivers, it is having 40mm dynamic drivers, and when it comes to the cushioning, it is okay in that price range. At least they are giving. Some other headphones they won't come up with cushioning, I mean for the headband area. So cushioning is okay, it is acceptable in that price range. The next thing I liked is the mic. It is having a separate mic on the left ear side, and even you can adjust the mic based on your requirements. When it comes to the sensitivity, the mic sensitivity, it is about for minus 45 dB to plus 3 dB. So instead of telling the mic quality, listen these audio samples recorded with and without mic in indoor as well as outdoor conditions. This is the audio sample without using the PTron gaming headphones. and I'm in a room, I mean indoor conditions, and I'm sitting in my room and the fan is going on and extra remaining works are also going on. You can listen the background noise also. Now I'm going to plug in these headphones and let's hear the audio quality through this one. And now you are listening the audio sample through the PTron gaming headphones, and I'm sitting in a same place in indoor, and the fan is going on and everything is going on. You can observe the audio quality, how it hears like. Now I'm going to outside and let's see how it performs. This is the audio sample recording without using the PTron gaming headphones. I am recording this audio at the outside situations. You can observe lot and lot of background noise and wind noise also. Now let's shift to this one and plug in the PTron gaming headphones and let's listen how the audio quality looks like. Now you are listening the audio which is captured by the PTron gaming headphones, and I am in outdoor situations and you can observe lot of background noise and wind noise, and I am not edited any part of this video. This is how the sound quality looks like in outdoor situations if you pick up calls or anything. That's all about the mic quality, guys. Even you can use it for answering phone calls too. I answered phone calls with these headphones and the mic quality is decent. Well, not every person should buy the separate headphones for games, separate headphones for watching movies and listening songs. So I tried to be using these headphones for listening the songs and watching movies. When it comes to the experience, while listening the songs, I didn't feel any bass and it's like a flat music, which means you won't clearly observe any highs or mids or lows. It is completely flat. Even while watching movies also, it is like that only. So if you are a bass lover and watch movies, listen songs whenever you are free, it won't fit for you, especially for bass lovers. Instead of that, if you want flat audio, these are the good choice. And even I used it for audio editing too because they mention they are studio Lite headphones. But when it comes to the reality, it really disappoints you. Instead of that, I think they remove the tag of studio Lite because it is not for these headphones. And final one, which is common for all type of headphones, is you can adjust the headbands according to your ears. That's all about the good things I noticed in this one, guys, and let's jump to the dark side of these headphones, means the bad things. The very first bad thing I noticed right after taking into my hand is the build quality. I know these are coming under budget pricing, but I'm not demanding that it should have premium build quality. I do accept the plastic build quality, but the problem is if you press it with little pressure, sure it will break. At least they come up with some good quality plastic instead of this. As I told you earlier, the audio and video editing purpose, it won't fit. The output we'll get after this is quite opposite to the marvelous word. You can't use these earphones for very long time as the ear cups are very small. The person who is having large type of ears, it won't fit for you. Your ears come out from the ear cups. Also, if you wear it for a long time like some hours, definitely you feel uncomfortable and lot of heat is generated inside the ear cups. Another time you need to remove for some time and again use it. And you cannot travel with these headphones by placing inside the bag because it will break, as I told you earlier about the build quality of this one. Okay, when it comes to the wire quality, it is like same as the normal one that most of you see in the earphones which comes inside the mobile box. That type of quality is there. So yeah, no braided cable or very strong cable, and when it comes to the length, the wire is about 1.3 meters, and if you are using it for mobile laptop, the wire length is okay. But if you are using it for PC, that too having 3.5 headphone jack on the back side of it, you will observe the shortage in wire. So these are the bad things I noticed in this one. Finally, for whom it is okay. It's a big question in your mind, and I will tell you for whom it is acceptable Also, do note the price also. For the people who don't needed any bars while listening or watching movies, for light gamers also these are recommended. But for editing purpose, I won't recommend this. Don't buy these for editing purpose. Finally, it is up to you guys. You are the only person buying and using these. As a reviewer, I will share my raw thoughts about this one. What are the pros and dark sides of it? Also, I will leave the link in the description box of this product. Feel free to go and check that one. And also, if you are interested, if you are going to purchase anything from Amazon or Flipkart, go through the link in the description. It really helps to the channel upgrade. Stay connected for more videos by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon too, as it is the button for to new video notifications in our channel. As usual, my name is Rajshekar and you are watching Tech Bunny, and I will catch you in the next video. And watch these videos too, which comes in the end screen. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Take care.